Well, hello, everyone, and thank you for joining me. I'm Jill Bloom, Group Publisher of Roofing Contractor, and welcome to our Best of Success podcast show. It is such an honor to have with me today SuAnne Stevens, who's the VP of Commercial Roofing for H.B. Fuller. SuAnne, it's great to see you, and thanks for joining me.
Yeah, I'm so excited to talk with you today.
Yeah, you know what? We've been hearing a lot about this, and there's no doubt that H.B. Fuller always has exciting things going on. You guys are innovators, you're leaders in the industry, but you have a new product, and I'm really excited from what you've told me about it. There's some fun things that everybody needs to know. What's happening and what's the new product?
So we have a new product called PG1 EF Eco 2. And what this is a two-part urethane in canisters. It's a two-part low-rise polyurethane foam. And what is new about this and why we are so excited about this is it's a patented product that uses atmospheric gases. So the same thing that goes in your can of Coke, right, to propel the adhesive out of the canister is what it's using. So it's great for the environment. It's safe for contractor use. So we're really excited about that piece of it, when we look at this. So brand new technology. The other piece that we're super excited about is, we really have an innovative manufacturing piece on this particular product. We put in a new production line. You may have seen it on LinkedIn or other places, but very automated production line to produce this product. So we've got lots of capacity to produce these canisters.
Oh, that's so fun, but don't drink it, even though it's the same thing.
That's right. That's right.
Well, I know you guys always take a lot of time when before you put something to market and have a lot of contractors test it. What was that like? What happened? What were the contractors saying? Why did they love it so much?
Contractors love it for a number of reasons. Number one, what I mentioned, it's better for the environment, safe for the contractor, right? So
Sure.
you're not breathing any harmful fumes from the propellants that are in the product. So that's great. The spray chip that is used with this product is also very innovative. It's one spray chip, and then the contractor can just literally turn a little dial, and it can be a ribbon application or a spatter spray application, so they don't have to change out the nozzles or do something to make that happen. And then just the fact that there's no other equipment required, right? So you just have the canisters, hook them together with the spray tip and the nozzle, and they're ready to go. So they don't have to lug any carts or anything else up on top of a roof.
Oh, that sounds great. It sounds really easy.
Super easy.
That is awesome. If anybody needed to try this out, where do they go? How do they find it? At their local distributor? What's the process?
So we are in the process of getting it in the marketplace right now. We have a Gen 1 product that is exactly the same that we've had for a year and a half or 2 years or so. The Gen 1 is not the HFO-free version, but it's exactly the same. All the equivalent codes and approvals are applied to the new product as the old product. So certainly you can try out the Gen 1 at any point in time. If you want to try out the new product, we would love to hear from you, to contact our roofing customer service group, and be happy to provide you that information.
Well, that's great, SuAnne. On your screen, we will make sure that we share all the information, all the contact information, so contractors know exactly where to go to find out more information and even try out the product. But again, SuAnne, please tell everybody the website.
Again, www.hbfuller.com.
Well, thank you again, SuAnne. I'm so grateful for your time and awesome to hear about your new product. And if anybody has any questions for us, it is roofingcontractor.com. And while you're there, make sure you sign up for all our free content so you can stay up to date in all the great interviews we're doing, especially like we are today with SuAnne at H.B. Fuller. But thanks again, SuAnne, and we'll talk to everybody soon.
Thanks. Appreciate you having me today.